हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके अपने पसंदीदा यूट्यूब चैनल व्हाइट बोर्ड पर। लास्ट क्लास में हमने मीन निकाला था विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायरेक्ट मेथड। आज भी हम मीन ही निकालेंगे, बट वी आर नाउ यूजिंग द डिफरेंट मेथड एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज्यूम मीन मेथड। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन 2 ऑफ सेम एक्सरसाइज। तो क्वेश्चन 2 कहता है, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डेली वेजेस ऑफ 50 वर्कर ऑफ अ फैक्ट्री where daily wages in rupees are given in form of class interval and number of workers are also given. That is called frequency. That is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200, and their consecutive frequencies are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. To find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. So as in previous class we studied कि when the terms or intervals are small, we use direct method, but now here the intervals term are very large. That's why we use here assumed mean method. As the name suggests, assumed mean method, where we assume some number as a mean of the given question, and on the behalf of that we will solve the question. So first of all we have to find out from these given class interval the class mark, and the class mark is known as upper limit plus lower limit upon में 2, where upper limit is 120 and lower limit is 100. I do here one thing. For example, now 120 plus 100, 220 divided by 2, we will get 110. Similarly, we can find the xi of other class interval like 120, 140. इन सभी इंटरवल का हम सिमिलरली से क्लास मार्क निकाल लेंगे one by one. Now I rub the board and move to the next table where we take frequency, class mark and the class interval and take some assumed mean, and also we will solve the question with the help of assumed mean method. Now moving to the further part, we will make a table on the basis of given information. The table is regarding, we have here class interval, that is Ci, and we find out, and we have also frequency is given, that is number of workers, and similarly we find the class mark for each class interval, and after that we will find out ui, that is xi minus a upon h. After that we will find fi ui. Here the class interval is 100, 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, and 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. This is the class interval regarding which the frequency is given 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Now we find out the class mark that I have already show you. We will find the class mark with the help of upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here we get 110, and similarly you find next 130, 150, 170 and 190. As the method we use here is assume mean, that's why we assume here some mean, like here we take 150 equal to a, and that is known as assumed mean. Now we find out the ui. Ui is xi minus a upon h. Here xi is 110 minus 150, that is minus 40, and h is 20, that is the difference between the class interval. Here we take it as minus 2. Now minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now fi ui, that is 12 minus 2 minus 24 minus 40, that is 0, 6 and 20. Now when you find the total of frequency and total of FIUI. As the total number of workers is given in question also, this will come equal to 50. And here we have 20 plus 6, 26. And this is 448 to minus 38 plus 26, and we will get here minus 12. Here minus 12 is the required FIUI. Now we have summation Fi equal to 50, summation FIUI equal to minus 12, and here we use assumed mean method. By using assumed mean method, the formula for the mean, that is x bar, denoted as equal to a plus summation FIUI divided summation Fi multiplied by h. So here a is assumed mean, that we assumed. FIUI summation is this, summation Fi is 50, and the h is the difference between class interval, that is the difference between two class interval. Like here the difference is 20, and the same difference is maintained in all the class interval. So here our h is 20, so we also take h equal to 20 here. Now I rub the board and you just note it down. Mean x bar is a, that is 150, plus summation FIUI, that is minus 12, upon summation Fi, that is 50, and h is here 20. Here 0 0 cancel out, we will get 150 minus 12 to the 24 upon 5. This is equal to 150 minus, that will be equal to 4.8, and here we get 145.2. This is the desired result of our question. That is the mean of wages of worker, 145.2 rupees. In this way, we can find out the mean of the question where the class interval or range of the data given are large. We use assumed mean method. This method makes our calculation easy. And in the next video, we will meet you with some another method or some other topic. And if you really like our video, just like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.